We are living in a global health crisis. 60% of US adults have been diagnosed with chronic illnesses. One in two people are pre-diabetic or diabetic, and 80% are metabolically unhealthy. 70% of US population are taking at least one prescription drug. 41% of people are at high risk for complications with COVID. Look, the problem is that chronic disease are shortening our lifespan, destroying our quality of life, and threatening the health of future generations. Unfortunately, conventional medicine has failed to adequately address this challenge, and the prevalence of many health problems continues to rise. The current healthcare is failing to support our well-being. The old paradigm of disease management systems doesn't work anymore. We need change. We need it right now. Hello, I'm a Dr. Larissa Sharipova, a founder of Holistic Expert and the host of Rebuild Your Health Summit. Join me on this free online event as I share with you how to reverse and prevent chronic conditions by providing you extraordinary access to effective tools and resources of functional medicine. This summit can help you make more educated decisions when approaching yours and your family health and wellness in this new changing world. I started my professional journey as a conventionally trained medical doctor. After moving to the United States and learning about the American medical system while studying for my medical boards, I decided to take a different path to help people. While taking my exams and facing my own health challenges, I discovered a powerful world of natural healing. The more I dove in, the more I realized that this is how nature intended for our bodies to heal. I discovered a medicine model that is individualized and patient-centered, with a science-based approach that empowers patients and practitioners to work together to address the underlying causes of disease and promote optimal wellness. I realized then and there that I must share this wisdom of our body's natural ability to heal with other individuals and families who have been struggling for years with their health and searching in all of the wrong places. This is how the Rebuild Your Health Summit was born. My goal with this virtual summit is teaching you how to take control of your health and the health of your family using the powerful principles of functional medicine. Functional medicine offers you personalized health care that goes beyond the symptom to uncover the root cause of your disease. It finds solutions for chronic illness by supporting the normal healing mechanism of your body to help you achieve and sustain vibrant health. So, join me today for this free online summit where I provide you with unprecedented access to effective and useful tools and resources of functional medicine to help you make wiser decisions when selecting your healthcare journey. I'm bringing together world-renowned experts to show you how to depart from old school disease management, which no longer serves you, and instead reclaim your health through evidence-based, cutting-edge functional medicine principles. Doctors, nutritionists, chefs, and other health practitioners will present information for healing and preventing many chronic health issues like metabolic syndrome, depression, autoimmune conditions, gastrointestinal disorders, and chronic pain. Additional presentations will cover environmental toxins, microbiome, electromagnetic radiation, gut healing, nutrition, and food preparations. When else will you have access to dozens of health experts specializing in nutrition, fitness, functional medicine, mental health, digestion, and chronic pain all under one roof? And when else can you watch and learn from those world-class experts from the comfort of your own home? When you join the Rebuild Your Health virtual summit, you will get over 20 hours of life-changing and health-boosting content from world-renowned experts in health, wellness, nutrition, and functional medicine. The brightest mind in the functional health community and leading healthcare professionals and advocates will share strategies, real world experiences, and clinical applications to help you resolve your ongoing health challenges. So, who is this summit ideal for? It's ideal for individuals interested in resolving health issues naturally. Chronically ill patients, caregivers, loved ones, healthcare providers, and anyone interested in root cause solutions. The journey of bringing all of these terrific experts and topics and sharing them with you is exciting for me. I cannot wait to share all of it with you. And there is the best part. The Rebuild Your Health online summit is absolutely free. There is no cost to join us for this live virtual event. You can watch the summit on your computer, phone, or tablet from the comfort of your own home, even in your favorite pajamas. I want to thank you for joining me and look forward to embarking on this healing journey with you. After all, everything you need in order to heal and manage your health is already inside of you. Let me and my colleagues help you unlock your body and mind's full capability to manifest terrific health and feeling of peace and well-being. Let's begin.